Well, yes, I bet I'm trying to come on so and say hi, Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. If we start copy him send on Konobo, the Professor Ike Wallace say if you am quite time clear than I say na sister Sandy B, a guy on also yeah than I say or question because we didn't Mpensenpensemu, bro and quickly my main car was say nyame yadma na ochu we Kumasi, Jubilee Park. Yekope yema me oba panyin so far ya do say do not friend sister and I acquire enyamsem yekope ne krabia nti me that way 18th of February Trinity Congregation asafo Presby asafo me wo bomb so ye hye tuntum ti ye hye ne so na afi awia no don kokopem se no nsia be bon ya betena Jubilee Park I ben Prempa Assembly Hall 1 to 6 p.m. the question also corner sorry wo Trinity Congregation Presbyterian for a war bomb so 9:30 to me and shadow so kwata ebusu nyina achi na ukuna 4 years Samuel Kwame apia kubi so yema no yako na ema so yama mo shedin ene yako na nama akoto na na akua free wo free apia wo UK na nama sewa apia wo USA Mrs Stella apia poku wo USA Mr Frank apia atoto sada nipa do friend wo UK Mrs Flora J Mensa wo Kumasi Ohenere ama poku ya wo USA ama Penny Grant wo USA ama Kakra Grant wo USA ana Mr Eugene Kwabna for wo UK ana na nama akoto wo US of A edamu nyina amase na me adema yenhia memenda we fiada memenda na masaka wo sekwasiada we a eda yanimi ensroma dwumadie no we ensroma another step another level the kwasiada we ade a yebedi dwuma sonko ensroma dwumadie no ama bibia timako kama e don miss out 3 pepe fantasy dome na oti ho 3 pepe na oti ho na je yebe ye dwuma na enesa obehu eye mmofra hodo omode talent kese pa eba ifa girl baako de mekwa na matete na up to this point it nyame aduma obehu se me born a chidom ye ka say girl na make an odika baz na o maka na eba enye adwuma ketua se o chirobi pitches ahodo e wonwum tuo mu C major F minor C clause na sefo enye adwuma ketua ma brankasa nti do re fa mi do nyina de ko see as a grand finale baso onyame aduma kwasiada we 3 p.m. na watnas na bibia ti makokama ede ama before watnas lawyer Chum Berima part of the communications team the potential government in waiting the NDC and then Daniel Ni Kwatai Titus Glover government breaking the aid continuing a potential government on betimi atwa one amamua one ibusu because a lawyer edin sabo form say pa or say kwabra same you are okay a potential government in waiting or no but a potential government in breaking the 18 year who knows how she you akwawa say the Hosi say the man made the kamene ni kwata be din komo
eni nkomo
say the Hosi say the potential government breaking the 18
and not possible and you know not possible we eni nkomo and possible emaso
emaso
ensida
that's what fambrana show
ensida but ensida ba we eni nkomo
the ninth wonder of the world
enya de be sida bonede tito
enne 20 say the 13th February 2023 ensida
me din du twumbarema
lawyer ensida
da
enya de be sida
da
akwanya bia na okwe befa so akosi
krowe mu so be so be for there and is allowed but Ghana hand forget emaso
na mo hihye mo sa
emaso da
na wo na emaso wo hihye ho awi
oh atwini wa sabi tafa jempen danta try now de be hu de wi so don't here
because members of parliament ko bi nya konya international parliament
akonya nasa
asa bibisa
enye no kre nasa I mean it's not true until they hope
na me chese ma ho boaboa no mo de ma awie peyo
oh o ma hene some ufiti preocupa po se na mo jeba
ti mo free nkuso
ko dondon no na no atumi bo ana
ti wo de kana na ti fita
exactly ya dondon ko me se what ya be hu
under the watch of Dufo and I say
oh
John Mahama former president
dance boy we be nya ba ko Iriswa May near you.
Momo de May.
Haya, in Yachikra. February, next month, will be almost a peculiar forms and the veteran one. Be able to life and color. We are ready, we are very set.
Momo 40,000 and 5,000.
I'm saying I think parliamentarians in the NM Satisana. May figures no fair yet, but boom, boom. Concurrently, can you not to when switching when out to one now, what happens to our young queen? The more Obio can before waiting magic 2 minutes free a year. MPP now how 2020. 2020 more. Who do you see? MPP didn't could some my cartoon channel, I must see bonnet date too. The okay, you know. Which I will not want to repeat, NC. But the only kind, you know, which is the potential government in waiting, will form a government January 2025. Will form a government January 2025. I am telling you. NDC. Surely. Under the leadership. Inshallah. Under the leadership of. Oh, obviously, I know John Dramani Mahama is going to win. John Dramani Mahama. Yeah. Many delegates, but winning delegates, I nobody can beat him. So far as the apparatus, extreme quality, Ben Odeba, the uniqueness near there. Some say benefits the won't be paying, won't be. I did won't be paying. In 2 seconds, won't be on 7 BB. Into the why you be paying? Exactly. I mean, maybe what's when you don't forget when he was in government or as president or query Nanado, then telling him, sir. Is it so criticizing me? I criticize me, but en kasad so be wedi mampanida. Me entias. And somebody be why na pesa ka kufu kan kire me. And somebody why say we fezi na pesa ka sorry Rollins kan kire me. And no ka metiase. Ba nya wo. Enya wo visa woni bi da. To woni say the city. To da so. And then na atuni. To da so subscribe to say woni mampanida ka kodu baabi en kan tra sa hye. Ah. Abo bia wo bia fezi odidi man na no kopmo. Abo bia. Abo bia wo bia odidi man na no kopmo wontra. One was a boy at Nam at the Aquatan Tatia Mudazori. That's your best take you. And to achieve the Quadrain. Or the corner for now for one of the corner. There be and say, when you want a one of their water hotel, on forgotten that Tiam's okay. To be all over being do you believe in John Mahama? Certainly and absolutely. Do you believe he's the kind of leader we need this time? For the challenges and the crisis that we find ourselves in today, he's the best person who has the experience to take us across. Do you think at this matter experience in here? Of course. You see, I tell you, we here will be or what at the beginning dear. Nobody who say here. And then they all speculating the channel. Do you know one is speculating in the channel here? The now government when they were in opposition. Okay, sir. Because now woman speculations. A key person is Baumia. The economy and some of culture with my whole lectures, one pages near, and now one count one note. One can't just one line, pen off an money. One can't even cry. No, one name speculations in one noise. He was just speculating. But dear, what honorable me, I'm in the penitentiary, what DDEP Tama East, all right, Senyo, Tama East. So, some could be more things that he would do tomorrow. Will not be the same one as I mean yesterday. Inferring because our experience, no. What's now we in and out. We say Benin so out in the mood. What who said the city? What wanting and the war was from afar and so the city. It was some but no be my things are different. For the don't forget it's for the bad. What's saying? Things will be different. It will change for the better, not even the good. Under John Dramani Mahama. Exactly. Put down today's date. Again. Impesi bidi ya mi nkomo ni bi ha ya mi. Ya mi nkomo ben. Mi mfa mi phone no. Na record no. Ento ne car pick up. So on one toy. Oh, mi phone ko say iPhone on penny board. Me di na car nya pick up. Me car no what the wa choose me mu di ofo bi na. So tun da wo, me mo tun da because me car say fatu me tun da so enya papa. O be car say wo mpe. Choose any other one that you want. You mean choose a comfortable one dey. Yo bi a we so choose bi na pa event so. Membo na date. Oh, my name. Me choose one sana mahamo. You know me now. The way a bet way. Oh, I mean, me and me enjoy me, but me but I mean we have spoken. That's it. But who's America saying sometimes Pani na wo sana na so chro. Timi na peno so chro. Senior 23rd birthday. I am married. And then Alaji Collins down the birthday. Oh, okay. My best one I'm back on no. No, before called best on the Bemino, the pride of Ahafu.
yeah, wisdom pot. It's a for in our mother, my friend, a large Collins that monim the wire, and then in Pestra so quite the wire mafu. You may mark Ghana shim crown. Timmy Sremo, we are for need this year mapa, a large Collins Dowda, and ne and I would that. What daroma at least, in the Panama dance, Munshen in Cray. Now, Mon Kenyan say, Wakoko Pabidu Sam Pempenso, we are still, or that's why all come out for Ghana and in the party. The Alaji, we celebrate you because you are a good person. Very good person. Mamenka
Divya, when the time I know lands and forestry.
Yeah.
Over here, acting energy minister for about 2 weeks. Be now, I think about 2 weeks or 1 month. But it's maximum 1 month. Not then another minister or about TNJ was my boss. No call leave. And I'll call as the way acting minister. The way acting minister, and I documents I never know. No, what more else. Boss by boss, I think. One cat and the minimum level, but I never want my bad and Canada will become Kruma and Canadian.
So I'm happy
birthday to you, Senior. 23rd, yes.
Okay.
No, so it's February bonds in there. We are spectacular.
What's it? Madam April and Gaza and everywhere.
What's it?
Yamra,
what's it?
Who got a monk? Be a warrior. You know.
I mean, cheer for you.
I was out telling when you can cry because in some kind and men found well before you.
Oh, yeah, before you. I put them in the I was so I got to
Mamma watch it.
By Jozo,
my chair, chum. Berema. We wouldn't make us, dear, Nihote. Now, and this is now their foreign owner.
That's Mutakas has it's a way to
count.
You see, when we meet as friends and brothers, that's a debate on all issues. You look at the angle, the contribution independence and Hosi on the atom. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
You can make your point very forcefully, very convincing, without insulting or casting aspersions and all that.
Yeah.
And that is the angle I'm coming from. But when you trust your customer, the richness of debate, you know, and a take what muso. Na mami fa konya ina me wish you happy birthday in advance.
Thank you, Senior.
Nyame adoma me mami owo me Mrs. Agnes na nyoko titles global. And also Sunday by 19th.
Oh, okay.
The birthday.
And this February for the real special.
And me wishing in advance. She'll be 79 years. She's still strong. And now you know she looks so sweet.
Wow.
Now me wishes senior college. That's so happy birthday. Come on, if you imagine number.
Okay.
Your friend Kentinka. Me kase no share nti. Me mano awuda pa. Eni check. Na ya na ne papa na ya na unlimited kakra.
Once na say what na say ni waju pa.
Na say onyin.
Na say ni waju pa.
Senior dia unu sa no dangerous.
Oh, you invite to be friends.
Dangerous.
Bien wesu no.
Kendiga. Yo, komna. Asema ukai ya. Chum pompa pa idie.
Asem dia.
Eni who can send be? We refuse na meni woni ya me nyina na etia. That very day. In this show on this studio.
Yeah.
And I say, me offense me get along with that. Only get along pick up and the other better so. No wabemu yes.
Yes, no wabemu. Deputy Minister Sports. Yeah.
Also that is go after so. Wo na wo and na me nua kuma kwaku boy. Ono so consultant. Ono say agufado we need 2020 elections. Obeja politics here. And I will bought audio no manner no kodechi. The only people to determine the fate of MPP is the people of this country. Is the people of this country and not NDC. The core NDC votes core MPP votes
yeah, India, it's obvious.
So the 579% is what we're going to struggle on. Now say who mine also man boy a boy there were so. But I mean, Daniel Mampenia Gufado, Echo Kai, Anglican, so them. Or see, economic term oil will soon be over. President assures the nation. A Quembia, Namombia, also 2. So this CSC, Nambia, ended in. oguso oriye mamumu die no said ye woman sa but you see the hypocrisy of JDM is legendary too legendary
Adom
of free Ghana no kwabruchia no can someone you remember his famous speech at Harvard University about the impact of COVID any Russian-Ukraine war in some of the idea the destabilization of anything budgets because of any COVID overruns by that makes government difficult in Africa or Kazakhstan on that platform obedu Ghana no wa chia na no na fi no ye politics no
obedu Ghana no or admit the impact of COVID the challenge the accountability
me pesa de no
wadaroma
me kasa kama no
no me
you are only moderating
no me say
so
but you have me boa with additional
kawami Count two. So nya twenu.
I'm the free president so
na we get to say we ye do say so na we ye nya me bi. Count two.
Oh, what you?
Edi. So we want say man wa.
Enti dia me pa kire ni say so kwa brochie na so kasa. O kasa te say statesman. But obedu fia na ni political spirit no na a cinema na say your called Chatham House and you be a question about the domestic debt exchange program. He admitted his support na consultation about a year with stakeholders no onko so no nye
no I say and the wine no say okay
no me kase bi no say hona
akamu
na consultation no
someone ni ka
ahwefo enkoso ana
wanye
oh please you can na makama
mate o de kwaso kafra
who desire ya no bi
mate ka kwaso
kabre consultation a JDM call London Chatham House no all can say yenyo no ayemira yenyo ana
mutu ana mo bi wi
please
back to the drawing board.
We have started engaging
now
no
can them one
oh me pacho wadaroma
mami o de mami ma wo
ye nyina ye bokrom a we here ye share bankers association or share insurance security and exchange commission na de nyina these for e can say oni omu share so eventually what happened because it was a program ye diswa ni ye ka ni ye bodelu no say nyandu so ni ntere ye nhia
okay
but eventually we met them
so it was a program
there was a timelines ye di ngofo ye di eventually all share things from so there be your patients can and found sanka so we have no problem there and the new chire say ye engagement ebia awonke kana wo say ye di ye ana and the energy na di wo mu no ebia na nya wo da you might think that government is not doing anything but seriously a lot of engagement is being done a kasa was here koso ye go so ye and is any legendary hypocrisy na ogo gina simbios wo politics susu nu gure mu a o kasa no me hu say when say jubilance of your Hanapa, but we know JDM. Obra, you knew Gromwa. Can you know for 4 years when you came here? At that time you were in the ministry, so you were enjoying. You know what was going on. Would do Nachi. Would do my bond this one. The generators, it will welcome you, not only with the noise, but with the smoke. The whole environment in multimedia is engulfed.
But he solved it.
Well,
please.
Thank you very much.
He solved
it.
Oh, I think. I was you know that I'm
now only probably easy. I know to those I was even so to be a solve it.
Me ka say or the inshisha be to akwam. Fantastic. Uba me constituency. That ship. What is the name of the ship?
Is it Kappa?
Car Power. I was there. But there was more to Car Power and Ebaye because it was on funding. Sika editor Fango, you didn't run his adina. It was a challenge.
He created ESLA.
Oh, now ESLA, you see 99%, 100%, you dissolve energy crisis. The only fraction in that less than 40%, about 35% revenue never and the it is not the fact that we create ESLA, the whole 100% of revenue that is coming is to solve the energy crisis. So please, make the analysis and argument very well. And me make say, Yagitum, Mombenia Kufad, we yet to. So we are not in normal times. We are challenged. And the Quembia was so fast. na sa baby a yedi yeti akowurem ya solve no. That's why you go so aye enti say and this for behaving like sadist. Kwa ye woman ye wan uche na ba no e mo dey. So we going to you want to sit on a high horse. Na mo fo nya nwum ambodo. Uba mi krom wotema ye wa fashion fe no plejo. Afrafo no edu afashe no a yesa we are the papa you betu nwum e de yiwa ye. We ye boni wo krom afemu ya na okam ni. That is
and one ye say.
And this amonim say o man no ahunche na aba no ye gitum. O mempena go for se ni bankwan de on to be nya hwe won. But you see Kasem
so anya ho hwe.
Kwan bia wo so
anya ho hwe.
To was what?
Okay. So Erechum. No need to scream or picket over DDEP self-exempt now. Senyo Hosi, Anna Akasei. Now, I don't know, because me, na no fear dan.
Yeah. Okay.
As a man kind say, I have been one of the strongest advocates for Ken must go.
Okay. My who say na won bi.
Me kwa dem me na me one man demonstration.
But when to
yan.
Na so when to yan.
Eti obi anim.
Yeah.
But baby akeka Ken must go na bedu no.
Yeah.
I feel that we should just ignore the Ken must go and deal with the president because
so now should be the president must go.
So because simply because my argument is
okay.
Senyo Ken of writer and yet to Abamano.
So
of course. So why are we bothered about that?
Yeah.
The appointing authority maybe see something that we are not seeing in him.
Or say Ken a national asset.
So why are we going to Ken must go when we the national
when Ken is a national asset?
So Senyo was saying, well, maybe that's where we have to head towards now.
Okay.
But sure will follow.
No, yeah, I know.
The argument. Yeah. So what do you think should be done?
You see, what I think we should do is to break down what Madam Sophia Akufu, her leadership, said. What can I do? So now some more kind an interview no granted and me were about 5-6 I think it's about 7-minute video.
Yeah, be drew her, then he be drew her, and what something say it be any day. These are the questions.
She raised concerns. Yeah. One of her key concerns was that Amano is more or less acting unreasonably. And on the say what the one not considerate enough. So what the agent so that's a year more moon for your more. Am I? Yeah. Moon me no take your friend saying. Yati Saban say or GSC friends. When I say a cat or dear friends, and in 30 years, I'm not about to kind of money. The possibility of me, but yes, in 30 years' time is very high because we are young. So what I say, to be able to trust even the next
normal structures, ages on our
sanity. See, you have more time in the 70, 80, and the next 30 years about 2 million. But we say, yeah, I mean, part of 4 years, come on. I start on nominable. Now come on, my 70. One person 80. Madam Sophia Akufu retiring from Supreme Court needs to say what is 70 numbers. Okay? Into no technically, as what I'm now, you make a was and no one is say. Heading towards the 8th and Yakupo Kayan. And put Yami what and I've been doing at Niatra.
That's the anything can happen zone.
Exactly. And this halfway, who take a decision, minutes or more Kapuma. That was one of their concerns. Another concern is the fact that, or my day say, now do you say a contract? Don't forget she's a lawyer. Before so be a judge, no a lawyer. And not for be a judge. Or say a contract. Contract muno. A yawo aname and ye see jinaye adwinipi. In law you say a consensus added them. Ya doing shia. Now doing me no shia ni ye see jinaye say if we na de koye de a case but to hada biya. Uko yi so ka say nkyerɛ me. Misu ko yi asa misu me say nkyerɛ. That is the agreement we have had. Ba ko nsan ho fa ne pem ko e bibia me nya we. Anasa wo nya we. But bisa ho say what did the government do? Aban we uko head the letter of come attorney general no a. E we kwado da cho. Senkanu ya adwuma nka kwan no person fa so kra ade be side we no ka it be west kra. Because he was looking for means to pass certain laws or to take even emergency powers to do something and put it on the people. And they shall call and me nyamhwe. And no anfa. Ebiem madam say we are in some kind of mess today, but was nobody have been able to explain to us why we are here today. Economic misery no he. Tell me, I said, I want to out Messiah no way.
Minimum PhD economist.
Messiah no one big moon.
That's what Messiah is. Oh, the economic management team.
Nasa no Messiah na dano.
Oka Dr. Baumia.
Christopher the one die one of the Christopher the man. Any years dano. What name is that?
Oka Dr. Baumia.
Oh, he.
Oh.
What naturally in the do Madam question I no. Was we are in crisis or we are in a mess? But that mess now, woman, nobody have been able to explain to us why we are in this mess. One a bit room. My company because my company madam can make reference to the company kind. Now, better change your name with Nick and Cassim because on the boat you understand or transfer your ham by no guat up some we are for because on the baby. That is why he's quiet. That is why we can't find him today. But so Cassan some cost on economy with someone can be. The young no come hasimo. Okay? Ebia madam say she further question on accountability. Was ya bob besia bebre na yetimi di besia na tsra dia dia. Omani. This should be our worry. So the woman was not just calling for her money. No akasa on one kasa nyinu from self assumption na kan wasa no. Onu go nyinu from. She raised other further concerns that are very crucial and important. Ebi na matum boss abobo so akere we. I sat down very early this morning around by 3 a.m. I'm sorry. me yet my crowd do a chapter. I need to prepare for program. And besides, I see the video. I made some notes and this was some of the questions or points that I picked from Nelson Okanya. Accountability. How accountable has this government been to the people of Ghana? And now, Madam raising the consensus. No one now, one more sign for Tabi now, almost to a young man. A classical example is Gabriel Chidako. Some of the tweets of the Madam.
Well, some of the tweets say, as an individual bondholder myself, I wish to join Gabi.
Good.
I wish to join the others in thanking those like Senyo Hosi, Mensa and Co, who volunteered to lead the advocacy, resulting in a far better offer for individual bondholders, particularly pensioners, than the original offer, Aiko. Whilst I have sympathies for those picketing, I think we should be bold enough to ask them what really is the purpose. Why picket over an offer which you have the liberty not to accept? You are asking to be exempted, but from an improved offer program, which is voluntary. 3, the former Chief Justice, Sophia Akufu, may mean well, but she erred big time in her basic appreciation of the issues. Rather than asking the government for exemption at this late hour, why did she simply not exempt herself from exchanging her original bond for the new one? Or to also say, why pick it over something you don't like, the improved offer, when you have the right not to sign up? Sorry, but I struggle to get her emotional outburst and over exemption. I hope she won't volunteer to pick it tomorrow on the same issues when the time to sign up has expired. I was among those who pleaded for the exemption of pensioners, but the government had to balance all that with the need to protect the economy for the 33 million population and settled on the 15% yield maturing in 5 years instead of 15 years. And that the individual was free not to participate. And finally, he says, for a former CJ to take up a noble cause such as she did, but at such late hour, when all was done and for all that publicity, she owed it to herself and her social standing to have understood the issues far better than what she exhibited last Friday. She's bigger than that.
So is he by that saying that the woman was ignorant?
She could be.
Really?
On this matter.
Really?
Clearly.
Really?
She could be.
Thank you, Mate. Again, Gabby said she erred because she didn't get the basic appreciation of the issues.
Yeah.
Okay, the man be raised to which of them did the woman err though? Is it wrong for saying that the government is arrogant and very disrespectful? Is it not true? Any arrogance is not to the open. That is a sign of arrogance. The idea of is a sign of arrogance. And arrogance in any what the American was. She said it.
So be able to do then you do her.
Or see that disrespect.
na me chese baby abedi e de na abedura
arrogance ni become arrogance ni become because na arrogance ahye wo man nti wo mu ntie futuo aban we upa mama kwa utinifu na buofu aya gufu adaban ontie futuo the moment any reasonable person will speak to them directly and tell them that they when we yen twaye they come after you and attack you ebi no aye no o mtene muka as ade a we ye bi anye bible say yintan na kabone anim ade anya kasa nye eti anye baba na expect Ghanaians to be praising you while you are going wrong. I've outlined what the woman said. Even where we are today, you are here because of recklessness. We are here because of recklessness. We can deduce it from it because, listen, let me tell you why. We got people who are prompting us. Now, last time, I said, one more year, Bob Brown, my music, one marking. Because of marking, I'm say, who koye, and I say, taking it the likes of the World Banks, the likes of the IMF, one more boy, you could confirm baby Abasinko. Omahene, Swan TNT, Penisa, no young woman to couple. And when you are buying to couple on that, I take one and imagine someone was say. Now, who have been an Uber to Mammy or no, I am an info for years even older than your age. I bet Supreme Court judge. Say, I am volunteering now, open, I don't know him. Do you think so?
But that's a fact. It's voluntary.
Do you need Gabby to educate the woman?
There be.
Do you need Gabby to educate Madame Sophia?
No, I'll call this idea. Say Madame Sophia or some Brazil on an embodiment of everything. Maybe an oversight bit me about. Maybe something deliberate.
Oh my.
Oh no. All the options.
How can the oversight come when the person talking is a lawyer? The person, this is a woman who is a lawyer and a judge.
Martin Pebu on Ecosis said that lawyers also they make big mistakes.
I know. But you see, let me tell you something. Permanent training, one of the things that we were told is that one profession that they don't accept is a mistake is the legal profession. No. You need to be from so. Because and so we am from so. So that's it. But you need to change. Master pony in answer. What do you mean, Casama? I man a question one chassis. I disagree with you.
Okay.
Oh, I want chassis, pa. But what you are doing, the engine will be soon to know nothing.
Jenkins and your man.
Can man come ourselves? They will not correct. The American boss said we are American. Some more dear. What? Munipa. It is true. That Munipa.
What the idea could down be no new year, no chess, Nipani Mwadio.
Read the, I mean, we are cannibal. I can't remember to be more than you want to support his own money. 1 year cross. 1 year your posture, how you conduct yourself, be at your own munipa. You can read from it when I can send a message in a kind of question also money. The woman was not wrong. Madam also cited instances and said, you have not been able to explain to us. Because I will tell Ghana for. What do you mean, I'm a baby Piemu? And you know why I'm doing some because some of the and some we won't. But was so deep was 1 year and 1 year so pampa. And now they could do that. So now you can't cite it again. Then the better so okay. And then that will take you to the point to say, as you were saying, say, well, now no, your phrase can go can send them better than say. Can the Ferrata or no as a person and resign that to our trends I didn't forget it. Number 2, Besanka is a no for us 1 year could do as that. Till the end of his term, and promoting the Ferrata. Janus, well, what can I say when we say your issue statement? Then about Omampania, you can have read also what that, sorry, because Adiachi and see that bonus of data too. Sadia, they mean see that Ken will remain finance minister and mess up the country to the end of the Kufuado's time.
I don't think it's important. What we advocate,
you don't think it's important?
Messing up the country.
That's what I said.
That's why we should go to the head.
Oh. Now the head knows what him. In the first degree, BS economics. Not the first degree, BS economics. So they are saying, you know, say. Now, what they tell you the PhD in economics, honestly, one day, one soon him, the airport thing. Yet, only that is also want to be young. And I'm Pano, I want him, the end, and one country, and I saw a woman some. It's finished in your hands. That's why they cannot give you any better option.
You're quite time.
Now you know, Sana.
Casadinti and Tom Bongo. Anachifu nyeza na mumu beno.
Kasa
Menya nda toponko.
Kasa nya toponko. Na Senyo Hosi asem na waka no. Also no need to scream or picket over domestic debt exchange program. Self-exempt now.
Yeah.
And he said
because it's an option. Exempt.
I could board Chunku, our Minister of Finance, one with obstacles. Actually, when the panels only say what to government bonds, government securities, you have the right not to join at all. Sana opposite Ochena, you know.
God has done it too.
Na last week, me baha. Now what you say, and I call radio. Me can send back be. And this room be near Kufado. Once the last week, me catches me Mbedi 79. Last week, me baha said 19 to be. Me calls too, true. And for me, you Bakusi ni kwate ya share political trajectory, your development in politics. From your days of youth activism, ewotema. 94, 95, 96, 3 union activities, 91. Edieba, ube di assembly member 98 to 2002. Wabe ye member of parliament. Waye politics, MPP, 91, 92, Dangwa Buzia. Ube di deputy minister. Na insenso, na wanka upe national organizer team. I don't know where they had my number from. And I'm framing. So yes.
Because this is a question my dear Buza. Obi from Musa say you number no him.
Na so much sremi. Na se menya akwenya me form Mpenia Kufado nkasa. E fa one bond issues in some year. Abekoso. And now, Saturday anopa, around 6 o'clock, a very good friend of my pensioner of customs. Your friend, Mr. Abidu, one of Ronyanemi. Say, Nikwata, ye pamu chao. Or Fantini was a catcher president for say, yes, Serano. Pensioners, your bonds are seminal. Exempt and free. Me can't wait the Akosia Samsona me can say. And a mere me can say, Mr. Mpenia Kufado, on no tumbi. Sebe ye na ombo pensioners bonds are semi. Because we share Omukwanto Mududo Noa, Omuswa, and take them out. Because he and Sheni ye, ni and cancer movie 1 year, and boy baby. I made that passionate appeal to the president. And chair and former Chief Justice. In fact, me who
the
video no on 7 o'clock news, TV3 Friday no me am shame. And the kind of words in some no can we do. In some way do. He use words like wickedness, unlawful.
Yeah.
In some way do. Na me am shame. Because for a whole former Chief Justice. Oh, what the video? Sabi, omu pension, and you must pension.
Oh, yeah. They do.
But she want to solidarize with their colleague pensioners. And someone was there. You can't push it under the carpet.
Thank you.
I'm speaking as a politician. I'm speaking that I want to, my mother will be 79 years. They catch her up and say, oh, yeah, Planned Parenthood Association of Ghana, PPAG.
Oh, PPA, okay.
They look at family planning issues in the country. And they will fear. And the Asamna Mamina Kano was a tina superm. Namasere Gabi. Your is your friend too. Baby, you do his sunny tweets on liberty.
What, Gabi?
Yes, Mr. Some of these tweets or tweets are not. Musikana, because the woman, one of the spokesperson of women, was he a cigar no crown? Actually, so about 1,000 Ghana cedis. And you don't to know on the being getting. You understand? You see? And you go there. Minunga, make catch and say, sad tweet for where we are, we don't need these tweets.
Now, would you obey Chenadjuni? Not also Cherawajina. Was it there be in Yas Adjun?
Oh, no, or Chenadjun. I agree or Chenadjun. But when you look at Adwina Yechrenu and you look at the impact and the bashing that is coming out, you must sit up. Because when you look at the quantum of those pensioners, we should be able to do something about it.
So the woman raises a very important question.
What I say?
Where have we come from and how did we arrive at this point?
Maybe. Okay, maybe about accountability. Why? What have you? President Akufo-Addo, in terms of development of this country, has done so much. Accountability. Sika ya jie, busia, both locally and internationally. A Juma President Akufo-Addo sika jie, ajeno, is legendary in this country. But ye Juma papa, Madam Sofa Akufo, in terms of accountability. Because Sebi sika na jie no, ye di yemputu Juma. Akwai. Sukwa dying. Hospital. You see development all over the country. Come on, remember, me national organizer. Me to point all over this country. Me complain twice. Me do a waso, Western North. Me who sukwa dying. Yes, CDC. Me ko abomusu. Sa ye blocks ye about 10. Bet me a whole that model school. Basempe abomusu. Awaso, Western North. Who should development of President Akufo-Addo waya. It's so legendary. Na sebi sikana ye gie no, sebi enye ye num ene ye didi. Ye di yade. And the honor minima na Sofa Akufo enya adwen. Say sikano dia na this kan ye. You were the Chief Justice. You knew what was going. And I say oni abem so she's not on gag. She's on gag now. And nobody stops her.
But was she gagged? Why was she gagged?
I mean, she cannot speak. I mean, but I say, pension, she must conform because she's the Chief Justice. But
Chief Justice don't make
and now on your Chief Justice, she's on
the normal citizen.
And Jobet. But in some no canning any pension for my mother will be 79 years. I want to see myself in the next 4 years. I'll be 60 years.
The next 4 years?
Yes. August this year, I'll be 57. In the next 4 years. Virtually it's about 3 years, 10 months. February, what, 10 months? I'll be 60 years. Next 3 years, 10 months. I'll also get there. So we need to find a way to resolve this problem. For me, I want us to resolve this because it is going too far. And it's not good in the image of our government and our party.
Well, I think that sometimes conscience say Jeba Nkomuma are dangerous.
Bible said was a hand time was saying
Jedi Bankomuma very dangerous. I don't want to believe say lawyer the party person mobile bemu. They want Bibia Nkusi from tree. No mobile. How do they solve the problem? So Ghana Libyan at this point, you have your political or partisan interest. But your conscience, the Ghana factor is very important. They say, yeah, mommy, really say, I find you free, ni abidru hanim see. Na man, yeah, akaya na kakre, be cry, be friends as you, Brian Bre, isika kakre, to no near their share, none of their share. These are very normal, very important, relevant conversations that who take a decision, Biana. And lawyer raised a very critical point. Say, who take a decision on, will be all 30 years, different from. Who take a decision will be 65, 70.
That's it.
Very different. The old person who yama 40, 60, Thank
you.
So certain approaches are very important. Madaroma, you can say Ghana Mampen Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, Your Excellency. We dear, Oshe Ghana this year party for democracy say it's important to look into this matter and take a critical exemption of some of the key people and the challenges. Number two, the issue about optional, optional there. If an adanko dada.
Thank you. Let me with you because
optional.
Senyo was saying no kind. And Nubiana Chief Justice former Okai said she will even help them to go to court. And where legal issue be more, and even more disastrous.
Of course.
Because you see, when you're talking about government bonds and securities, there are three things. The principal, Sekana would contract. Interest, and the duration.
Exactly.
The do now bonds na would not So this thing, me kasi me mato mo yidi si o yidi si ni wo bi na se na se you understand me wife wo bi Esuati
madam come here now. Oh,
but you see,
yeah, can no come
lawyer, said there's a team.
was one because I have not been called today.
And I miss him.
We still believe that
you can do something.
Yeah, we still believe in that. And they know
that be your mind. Public servants, I think that's what when we try with our own, which is the president fund, we will all go on strike. And how do immediately was my team of
me person be who show me a weaker vessel.
No, I'm not even saying that.
I'm inferring that. No, I don't want us to take them for granted.
We can't even take them for granted because this we're picking from me. These are people like, hey, you know what do? I mean, extra time, more take a credit. I know
for granted.
What is going on? What about 60%? Haven't I got to know?
We can't.
You are 2 hours in the air to heavy.
Medical doctor, no woman, was already 81 years.
Gosh, on no Akase.
Also a diabetic.
Yeah.
Oh, and in fact, I really felt.
What does it? So don't they should stop as you said. Say voluntary work when you
So it's a happy birthday to Gideon Owusu Minta, who of Fantiman Municipal Assembly. Long health and long life. If we acquire more boating or Anna or Debro. Anna fe, Madam Nana ya amono jemfu and so to ade okumasi patasi. Police depot sit on number 1 hour. And
as a mammy with touch.
Patasi fufu John the book corner.
Very good.
Touch
Sebenchiano Oluman. Oh, she did very well. And a charity catering service. Oh, TUC Junction. She was splendid.
Say Patasi corner be sorry them be fufu bi wo. Corner be
What do you feel fufu?
Mingani ope fufu.
Who breakfast fufu?
Menya na pay, na pay. Airport nim kakra. Patasi corner hono.
The phone breakfast fufu.
Na me didi. Na me say me try deyokrasi. Okay.
No kwa the 7. I pay me busa say Ghana for your breakfast. They pay free mobile. There's a benkuni ediane gari.
Oh yeah. Hey, especially no, mostly really depend what money pan here.
No, it's true.
And
some office people are taking benku.
No, it's true, but
there's nothing wrong about it.
Hey,
no, it's true. But me got some. Minya diabetes, I was on treatment and nutritionist, you know. Emma me rushing said benku me half.
Me dey be omoika.
Me share them. What happened? On the can you put me office our ministry. Na lunch na menya me tilapia kama and a bonku 2 balls enti owure mu ana say ganyo bi na wo yale na wo bonku no awie na wo botu enti so na me be woro me no fresh water no and no mass wo no fa bonku no ba ko no odi shemu no ko si nchen na wo yare bonku 2 na
so ya dey back
edi odi ba guru edi ko si nchen
yeah no be me
ase e do ka je me kwala de waye ni eni be bo ba guru bi na me say Mufama dia mama
yeah, that's all, Jimmy.
Thank
you so much for watching.